We all know that a KitchenAid is great for baking and making desserts, but one of the things I like to do is to make a creamed honey. Not only creamed honey, but a creamed hot honey. This is a KitchenAid hack from Carla Hall. This is so easy, and I do that with the whisk attachment. So I take a cup of honey, and then I take a little bit of apple cider vinegar. It could be any vinegar, but you really just want that acid to break up the sweet. A little bit of salt, and to make it hot, a little bit of chili flakes. Now, if I'm doing chili flakes, if you want a black pepper honey, you can do it. If you want to change the flavors, you can absolutely do it. Lock it in, and here we go. Carla tip. You put it on high, and you just let it whip. You know, like you let it rip, let it whip. So I let mine go for about 15 minutes. You want it to look creamy, almost white. It goes from being translucent to being sort of a dark amber. And then once it is really white, you've creamed that honey. So you can see that it's almost white, really creamed and really whipped. Y'all, that's it. Seriously. Look at that. It's so beautiful. And it's just good to go. You can use this on charcuterie boards. You can use this on biscuits, toast. You can use it as a condiment on sandwiches. You can use it on fried chicken. I mean, the sky is the limit. Now, you want to take a little piece of cheese, spread. Just use the biggest knife you have. Just cut a piece of cheese. Look at this, y'all. The thing that you're going to taste is the acid from the vinegar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of spice, and the sweetness of the honey. It is so good. You can totally make this ahead. That is ready for tonight. It is ready for next week. Thanks for watching. I know what you'll be doing now.